In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop your controller from opening Steam whenever you hit the guide button. Now, this is a common issue that can be a bit frustrating, especially if you're in the middle of a non-Steam game or doing something completely different on your PC. But don't worry, it's an easy fix and I'm here to guide you through it step by step so you can game without interruptions. First, to get started, go ahead and open your Steam application. This is where we'll be making a few adjustments to ensure your controller behaves the way you want it to. If you haven't already signed in, you'll need to do so to access the necessary settings. So click on the login option, which you should be able to find easily at the top right corner of the Steam interface. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to enter your account name and password. Make sure your login credentials are entered correctly to avoid any sign-in issues. After entering your details, hit the sign in button. You'll land on your Steam homepage, which is where you usually start in the app. From here, focus your attention on the menu bar at the top. Look for the word Steam on the menu, that's where you need to click next. This will open up a drop-down menu with a variety of options. You'll want to select settings from this list, as that's where we'll make the necessary changes to your controller setup. Once you're inside the settings, navigate to the section labelled controller. This is your one-stop shop for all things related to controller configurations in Steam. Within the controller settings, find the option for external gamepad settings. This is crucial because we need to adjust how your gamepad interacts with Steam itself. Now, the final step is quite simple but often overlooked. Look for the setting that says guide button focuses Steam and disable it. This setting is responsible for Steam opening up when you press the guide button on your controller. By toggling this off, you're effectively telling Steam to ignore the guide button press, allowing you to keep doing whatever you're doing without any unsolicited interruptions. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've now set your controller up to stop launching Steam automatically. This should provide a smoother, more enjoyable experience whenever you're using a gamepad on your PC. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this resolves the issue you've been dealing with. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Happy gaming!